It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing today? Hope everybody doing good. Just coming in here as I can. In a little bit, I probably won't be back for a few days. I got stuff to do. It's gonna wear me out too. Well, I do got a small little grocery haul I'm gonna share with y'all. Got a little fruits and stuff, fruit and veggies. I'm gonna share and what y'all know. How y'all doing today? You got anything to share? You want to talk about anything? Well, in California, I guess whoever live in California, I keep up with the news. In a few years or so, there will not be any more gasoline-driven cars. Everything will be electric, which will be good. If y'all hear all kind of funny noises, that's the microwave going and the fan and probably some scratching noise in the background. That's okay. But anyway, I just came through to share my little groceries. Holler at you guys. Hope y'all doing good. I'll get to y'all comments, to y'all channel as I can. And if I don't have time to watch it with my eyes, I can just let it run and give you your full view and give you a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys will do the same for me. If not, so be it. It's all good. Well, it's still a lot of food recalls. If y'all ain't heard, go to FDA.com. And what else did I hear about? Well, y'all already know about they slacking up on the COVID restrictions. I'm still keeping my mask on and still don't want to have people all up on me. And I'm still sanitizing my hand because of the monkey pop juice. They talking about they trying to find a different name for that monkey pop because they say it's racist. And I don't know who they think they referring that to. I know they ain't trying to say black people monkeys, whatever, because they looking to change the name because they say it's discriminatory. What y'all think about that? I ain't thinking about myself with no monkey. That's just a word, monkey pop. And they say it's in the monkeys or whatever it came from. Maybe they talking about they don't want to discriminate against the monkeys. Because, hey, then they talking about, they keep on saying, allegedly, the, what is it? Is it the monkey pop being spread by, is it homosexuals? Is that what they saying? What, is it just the monkey pop? Yeah, the monkey pop. They keep saying it's a homosexual thing in allegedly, but no, it's not. Anybody can catch monkeypox, but they saying that you can't get it through sex because, hey, that's wet flesh, whatever you want to say. But it is all, monkeypox don't discriminate. You can catch it by anybody. You ain't got to be homosexual, straight, man, boy, girl, child. You can get it if you're not careful. You ain't sanitizing yourself. You don't wash your hands. If you touch something, it goes straight to your mouth and face. A lot of people do that. They rub on their face, their lips, pull their lips and eyes and stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to report about that. And still, my last video, I said the rumors, some of them rumors true with the preppers spreading the news about food shortages, food being unavailable because of the growing, the crops are being destroyed from not being properly maintained and not having the proper things to keep crops, growing properly. You see, if some of you have noticed that in your produce department, you might see the vegetables don't look so good. And I have been in Walmart and they have had some pretty bad produce. And it's just sitting there rotting, and I don't know why they don't have nobody clean that up, because nobody gonna buy a piece of rotten fruit at the regular price. So maybe they don't have enough employees. But Joe Biden passed a law where he's going to pay so much money for student loans. And as usual, the Republicans pissed off about that. And what are the Republicans pissed off about? They pissed off about anything that concerns helping people that struggle, poor, need help. Now, I don't know why people in the world so bougie and think they better than other people, that they think other folks don't need nothing but the rich. Now, Joe Biden, I think they got it where the rich people got to pay taxes. I don't even think poor people or people that don't make a lot of money should pay taxes at all. Because the rich people, they make a lot of money and they think they shouldn't pay taxes because they make so much money. Isn't that ridiculous? It should be reversed. Y'all got anything to say about that? Say so in the comments, because it's stupid for people that hardly make money. And then they tax your Social Security checks. You have to pay taxes on your Social Security. That's which is stupid and ridiculous. You ain't getting enough money on your Social Security check to pay no rent and all that. The Section 8s and all that stuff that will help people pay their rent, that's like non-existence now. It don't even exist no more. So, hey, people can't be living off welfare and Social Security like they used to back in the day when things were a little bit cheaper. So now you can't go out there and have no 500 kids thinking you're going to get off easy just being on welfare. No. You got to work because the rent too dang high. Depending on what state you're in, especially out here in California, you can't live off no welfare. You got to work because you ain't going to be able to afford no rent. If you don't have a Section 8, lucky to the ones that do have it. Y'all know what Section 8 is, a voucher that the government help pay a portion of folks' rent. Depending on your income. If you make a little income, you could be only paying $50 a month or no money for rent. That's what it used to be like. I don't know what it is now. It might be the same. But anyway, I'm going to turn around and let y'all see these groceries I got that I'm hauling. I'm working on my crafting channel. I put up videos on my gardening channel about this stuff happening on my gardening channel. I got good news from my gardening channel. I got videos I'm be putting up, sharing good news, stuff that's made me happy about my gardening. And I'm working on stuff on my crafting channel. I got to come on my crafting channel soon. And like I say, I'll get around to answering people's comments in a second. But right now, let me turn around and let y'all see these little groceries. Okay, y'all, here my little small Walmart online grocery haul. I got a bag of red apples, which I will be washing thoroughly. And I have 3 bags of shrimp. And I got some milk for my husband. That Fairlife is for my husband. The Khalifa coconut milk is mine. That dressing, French dressing. And I got some olive oil. I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Do y'all know a 10-pound bag of potatoes is $7? Man, do y'all remember 99? Man, they used to give that stuff away. But now, anyway, I got my husband some Red Robin French fries. Like I said, I got 3 bags of shrimp, the milk, the salad dressing. I did purchase some eggs. I got a picture. I'll show y'all that in the picture. See? Also, I got a pack of curtains that I got to put up in the front bedroom. I got me some ribbon, but they gonna mail that. But that's all my little haul. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I'm picking up this and that and other. As I'm eating, my husband, he gonna run to this store today and give me see if he can see if they got some tomatoes. And then if they do have some tomatoes, I'm trying to make me some fresh tomato sauce to put on top of my zucchini noodles, because that's gonna be my spaghetti. And I probably have some I don't know if I got the ground beef or I got some chicken. I don't know. I'll make spaghetti with my zucchini noodles and some stuff like that. But let me share it. Let me see it, y'all. Now, but these are the only these are my tomatoes I got off my plant outside. They used to be green and they turned red. But anyway, okay, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay in survival mode. Remember, certain food items are scarce, less, and unavailable. Vegetables aren't looking their best. Hopefully, I have not went through this whole bag of red apples. I did have some nectarines and stuff that I ain't shared with y'all, but anyway, this good enough. I'm finna get off here. Y'all stand survival mode. Try and get whatever you can get. Remember the rumors. Some of the rumors are true. Food, you get what you need, and remember, having a stockpile is a money-saving thing to do. It is save you tons of money if you have a stockpile, because you don't have to be buying this and that because you already got it in your pantry. So try, and you are new to this channel, try and start you a pantry by collecting certain food items so you don't have to keep buying that when you do your grocery list, and then you save money that way. Really, you do. All right, y'all, bye. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit